Speed O'Clock Story Time. Today we are going to read about personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is how we look after our body. Keeping ourselves clean and tidy makes us feel better about ourselves and also keeps us and those around us healthier. What does it include? Brushing our teeth, washing our hands, wearing clean clothes, taking shower regularly, keeping our nose clean, minimizing the spread of germs where we can. Brushing our teeth. It is recommended that we brush our teeth twice a day for around 2 minutes. We should visit the dentist every 6 months for a checkup. Brushing properly removes plaque. Plaque can cause cavities, toothache, gum disease, and even our teeth to fall out. It also gives us lovely, fresh breath. Washing our hands. Washing our hands is one of the simplest ways we can keep ourselves and those around us healthy. When should we wash our hands? Can you think of times when it's really important to wash our hands? Can you think upon it? Here are a couple of seconds for you. Can you think of a few times on which it's very important to wash our hands? Let's see. When they are dirty, obviously. Before we eat or help prepare food, after petting animals, after using the toilet, after we sneeze, cough, or blow our nose, before and after visiting someone who is unwell, don't forget about your nails. When washing our hands, it is important to keep our nails clean. Underneath our fingernails is a great place for germs to hide. It's best to keep your nails neatly trimmed and clean and try not to bite them. Clean clothes. It is really important to wear clean clothes. If we wear the same thing all the time, they would get dirty and start to smell. We don't mean wear new, clean clothes every day, but if, for example, you wear the same trousers for a few days, make sure that you take them off as soon as you get home and let them air out for a while. Don't forget your underwear and socks. Underwear is different. Underwear covers our private parts, which can get the most sweaty. This includes socks. Our feet are covered in sweat glands and can get sweaty and smelly as we are on our feet a lot. Remember to change your socks and underwear every day and put the dirty ones in the laundry basket. Don't leave them on your bedroom floor. Yuck! Taking shower regularly. Years ago, it was difficult to keep your whole body clean. Water had to be heated by the fire, and a bathtub was filled, and the whole family used the same bath water. Remember, families were big back then, sometimes with 6 or more children. Can you imagine being last to use the bath water? Luckily, it's very different nowadays. Now we have hot water straight out the shower or the taps for bath. So there is no excuse not to shower regularly. It is especially important to shower after we exercise. Scrub-a-dub-dub. When taking a shower, remember to clean yourself properly. Think about the body parts which may need cleaning most frequently: under our arms, between our legs, and those feet with all the sweat glands. To keep your hair clean, use shampoo. If we don't wash our hair regularly, it can look greasy. Keeping our nose clean. Have you ever had a really runny nose? Or has it been really blocked and you feel like you can't breathe through it? It's a horrible feeling, but we have all been there. The only acceptable way of dealing with this is a tissue. Sniffing, picking, wiping with sleeves, yuck. Spreading germs. Germs and bacteria spread. It's a fact, we can't stop it, but we can try to minimize their spread. Following the right ways of washing our hands is a really easy way to minimize the germs we spread. Covering our mouth when we sneeze or cough. Trying to have no contact of dirty hands with our eyes, nose, and mouth. The end. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel Read O'Clock Storytime for more informative reading material to come. And share it with your loved ones, family and friends. I'll see you soon with an amazing and informative reading material or a story. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.